Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use American Express Tap to Pay. If you've ever fumbled with your wallet at the checkout, this one's for you. It's fast, secure, and oh so convenient. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is Tap to Pay? It's a contactless payment method that lets you make purchases by simply tapping your American Express card or a compatible digital wallet on a payment terminal. Thanks to NFC technology, it's quicker than swiping or inserting your card. But before you start tapping away, make sure your American Express card supports contactless payments. Most modern ones do, but it's always good to check. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Find a merchant that accepts Tap to Pay. Look for the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. It's that little Wi-Fi-like icon. Step 2. When it's your turn, hold your card or phone, if you're using Apple Pay or Google Pay with your Amex card, about an inch away from the reader. No need to swipe or sign. Just tap and hold for a second. Step 3. Wait for the confirmation beep or green light. That means your payment is processing. And voila, you're done. Transactions are usually completed in under a second. One of the biggest perks is security. Tap to Pay uses tokenization, which means your actual card details aren't shared. It's like a digital shield against fraud. Plus, it's perfect for busy days when you're juggling bags or kids. But hey, if you run into issues, like the terminal not recognizing your tap, try moving your card slightly or ensuring it's clean and undamaged. In summary, American Express Tap to Pay is a game changer for seamless shopping. Give it a try next time you're out, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.